Just say, she shut the door. Welcome, birdling. Hi, Amelia. You're on video. In the dark bathroom. She's shutting the door. Okay, that's not a good video.
She's nesting.
Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet.
Don't put that on review.
Tweet, tweet. I just thought of a good Shark Tank idea.
What?
Because kids, and I'm gonna video this so it's on record. Kids look at these and they're like, whatever. They know that something's up.
Yeah.
But if you make it into a toy,
Seriously.
Yes.
Because you saw in that video.
tweet, tweet,
Oh,
tweet.
and she was doing it until she saw you.
Yes, exactly.
I'm going to shut this actually. And come around.
A rare bird is spotted. What kind of bird is that, I wonder?
It's a mama bird. A
A
mama.
rare Amelia bird.
Alright, we're all barricaded in.
Okay. 95 years. Yes, high five. Let's go Red Sox.
On home turf.
Smile!
Oh, she's
We going home?
laying an egg. She's laying.
Oh, that's so cute!
Superhero.
Nice.
She's looking at it. No. Amelia, Mincy said no.
Oh, cute.